Hello, my name is PREM PATEL. So I'm going to reflect on my personal project journey. So basically, initially I knew very little about floor plan and design and the world of architecture. But I only refer to the insights I had by going to my father's workplace, going to different real estate exhibitions held across the country. So inspired by my interest in floor plan and design, I decided to create a web page that serves as a guide for beginners who are keen to learn more about floor plans and how do they work and what are the things which can lead for a better floor plan. So throughout this project, I have developed my research and creative thinking skills, allowing me to gather valuable insights and information and present it in an accessible way in stuff like OPVLs and different strategic techniques. Additionally, I also improved my time management skills by setting deadlines and organizing my work and tasks effectively. Overall, this experience has made me more knowledgeable and connected me to the IB learner profile, particularly as an inquirer and a communicator, enhancing my ability to explore new ideas and share them with others. Being a IB learner also helped me pursuing my product, as in being IB learner, it improved my skills being a communicator and also helped me for my future endeavors in real estate and construction while deepening my understanding about floor plans and design. Thank you.